Junior, pack it in.
Okay. Okay. Okay, this is the pizza eating contest. Hopefully I can win this one. Hands behind my back.
Hey Nick, don't forget to chew,
Do
buddy.
not touch the pizza.
Don't forget to chew.
I have to eat it with only my head and my mouth.
Okay. Alright guys, listen up. Everybody's 15 to 17 sitting down. You're all paid on pizza. Okay, the rules are the same. No hands. Make sure you swallow it. Stand up and let's see your mouth and make sure it's gone, okay?
Okay.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Go boy!
Come on.
Go boy! Go boy! Nathan, you better eat fast, boy!
Go, boys. You still got chunks down here.
Eli, look this way.
All right, congratulations. Tyler, how old are you? Hey, 16 and A1. Okay, our next age group will be 18 to 118. All the adults, come on over and have a seat.